Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am taking you close to nature. Come, let's explore this property, Pench Jungle Camp Resort. This is their reception area where guests do their check-in formalities. I personally like the decor of this place. It's very simple, yet very elegant. The resort has a lot of activities to keep you busy during your stay. Like they have bicycles, a badminton court, trampoline for the kids, and they also have a cute rabbit home. And they have this information board where you can get all the information about this Pench National Park. This resort is very close to the nature with a lot of plants and trees around. There's nothing fancy about this property. They've given it a very rustic feel. Yet, all the modern facilities are available here. Come, let's have a look around the rooms here. So we have stayed in a tent like this. They have family rooms also and another category of room. But if you really want to feel the jungle, I think you should go for these tents. We booked directly with the resort. Please find the link in the description for bookings. They also have a spa and swimming pool. But when we went there, the pool was under renovation. And this is a beautiful walkway that leads to their restaurant. This is how their buffet spreads look like. And I must tell you, the food here is delicious. They have a huge garden where you can sit and relax and just enjoy nature. They have an eco park also where all these activities can be done. And this is how the resort looks in the evening with beautifully lit lanterns. So if you are a nature lover, this property is definitely for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Thank you.